We're from the big, big island. Listen to our reggae jam. 1, 2. Right now we say, there is a place that is heavenly, a place where life can be so free. People work and live easily. That is a place for you and for me. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fish is fine. Kailua Kona, it'll blow your mind. Play reggae music with the whole iconic land. Surf at Banyan's body, surf at white sands. Go up the mountains, down to the sea. Enjoy the view or eat sweet OP. Work and play till the sun goes down. Cruise the beach road to Kona Town. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fish is fine. Kailua Kona, say it'll blow your mind. Everybody put your hands together. Feel it. Kailua Kona, where the air is clean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, it'll blow your mind. Kailua Kona, where the sun is mean. Kailua Kona, where the grass is green. Kailua Kona, where the fishing's fine. Kailua Kona, we say it'll blow your mind.
Song is out of Kailua Kona, place where we come from Malawigan. It's originally by Brother Hoku Tongchinu. Also on guitar once again, Brother Nolan Ha'o.